Combining a knowledge base and ticketing system into one seamless solution can save you time, improve customer service, and streamline your workflow. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful, integrated system that helps both your support agents and your customers get the most out of your services. So, why should you combine these two systems? Well, when you combine a knowledge base with ticketing, you allow your support team to access helpful articles and solutions right alongside their ticketing workflows. This means faster resolutions, fewer duplicate questions, and an overall smoother experience for everyone. Plus, your customers will love being able to find answers on their own before they even need to submit a ticket. First, let's talk about the software we're going to use for this integration. After testing out several options, I'm going to show you a solution that has the best of both worlds. It's simple to set up and integrates smoothly. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is set up your knowledge base. This will be the central hub for all your helpful articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. With the software, you can easily create and organize categories, add tags for easy searching, and format articles so they're clear and accessible. This step is crucial because your knowledge base will act as the first line of defense for customers seeking help, reducing the number of tickets your team has to manage. Next, we need to make sure that the ticketing system is properly set up. This is where your support team will track and manage customer issues. Most ticketing systems allow you to categorize tickets, assign them to different team members, and track progress in real time. You'll also want to make sure that your ticketing system has a way to connect to the knowledge base. This is the key part of the integration. The best ticketing systems can automatically suggest relevant knowledge base articles when a ticket is created, so your agents have everything they need right at their fingertips. Once both systems are set up, it's time to link them together. The software we're using today allows you to do this easily. You can configure automatic triggers, so when a customer submits a ticket, the system pulls up relevant knowledge base articles based on keywords in the ticket. This can be a game changer for customer support because your agents will have access to self-help content that can resolve issues quickly or even help them answer questions without needing to create a ticket in the first place. Another key benefit is the self-service experience for customers. With this integration, customers can search the knowledge base and resolve issues on their own without needing to submit a ticket at all. If they do submit a ticket, the system will offer suggestions from the knowledge base during the process, helping them get quicker solutions or find answers before they even reach out to support. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Combining a knowledge base with a ticketing system streamlines your support operations, improves customer satisfaction, and reduces the workload on your team. With this integration, you're giving your customers the best of both worlds, self-service and easy access to expert help when they need it. To recap, we've covered setting up your knowledge base, configuring your ticketing system, and linking them for seamless integration. Remember, the software we're using in this video allows for smooth integration, making it easier for your team to do their job and for customers to get the help they need quickly. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.